Well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This week we ventured to the Holder Mine Campground, again in the Withlacoochee State Forest, the Citrus Track. This is about 2 miles north where we were last week, the Mutual Mine Campground. It's a horseshoe-shaped loop, has about 20 sites. As you can see, this is a Tuesday and there's only about 2 or 3 campers here. And of those, only one are here, the rest left. This is a beautiful site, and behind that travel trailer is where the Holder Mine is. Very dangerous to get to. There's not that much water in the mine, but it's bigger than the Mutual Mine. But it really hasn't formed into a decent lake where you can fish, swim, or boat. Very pristine, quiet campgrounds. This is our site. This is site number 14. It has a lot of land to it. You get all this expanse out here. There's a fence back there. It's a horse trail. There's our picnic area, our camper. And in the back there you can see a horse trough for them to drink water. That green roof there, that's the bathhouse. This is a very peaceful, quiet campground if you go during the week. On the weekend, I would suspect it's a lot more busier. You got more people, kids, louder, younger crowd, playing loud music. But now it's beautiful, and the trails are enormous, especially if you ride a bike. You can walk the trails. They're all over the place here. So this is highly recommended if your thing is peace and quiet and enjoying being back to nature and not, getting drunk, hooting and hollering. This is for if you enjoy and appreciate the being outdoors. Being outside and enjoying, listening to the birds, listening to the owls, the frogs. This is the place you want to be. All right, signing off for now. Next month we'll be at the Colt Creek State Park. See you then. Bye.